Have you ever felt that something is so beautiful that makes you want to keep it for yourself? Well, I mean, this place. I'd love to take you with me.
In this way, out of everything, you choose what is worthy to keep. For instance, quality time for ourselves. Nowadays, technology allows for instantaneous connections at any time and from anywhere in the world. However, there's a type of connection we should never lose. Life asks for pauses. Connect with nature. She knows how to show us her affection. Welcome to Uruguay, a country which values the relationship between man and earth. Our own history is linked to the respect for the animals and nature. It is part of our national identity. Nature knows what is good. The animals are reared on natural pastures, in the open air, all the year round, and free from hormones, by law. State-of-the-art technology is at the service of nature and its times. Only this way it is possible to obtain something very special from her. To savor the quality that only time can produce. We like to say that nature gives us its fruits, and we simply pack them. And as you can imagine, there is nothing simple in that. It doesn't matter where you are. The Uruguay experience is right at your fingertips. Go ahead. Feel at home. Connect to what matters.